Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Robert. My name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video is to show you how you can increase the value of your company and generate some more exposure online with Google. There's a couple of factors that come into play with this, content, backlinks, and citations. So I have your website here that I pulled up. Looks like your location is out of Garner. So let's just cover a couple of basic things first. So I typed in Handyman Garner, and this is what popped up. We have some ads here. I do see you right here in the map. It's important to understand that anything that you type in here in the Google search bar is considered keywords. And Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria. Search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keywords that are being typed in, and then categorizes those websites based on that. That's how you establish rank. You typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. Being listed here in the map is excellent. You're right here, right now. The map is directly connected to your Google Business profile, your area of coverage. It creates a lot of local traffic. That creates a lot of leads. Those leads become sales. Along with that, citations tie you into this. Citations is anything name, address, and phone number. Directories like Yelp and Angie and Yellow Pages play a role in that. The amount of pictures that you have or reviews play a role in that as well. You can also increase the strength of this Google Business Profile map listing by optimizing these pictures. And if you were to add some more service areas, Carry or Apex, for example, that'll strengthen it as well. Something to consider when it comes to the photos is how the photos are saved. So, for example, I'm assuming this is you here. And if I were to save this, it just simply pops up as this right here. You would want this to say rent a guy, handyman service, deck repair, or deck refinish. Those keywords included in the content of your site would strengthen your map listing that much more. So let's take a look at some other things. Underneath the map, if you're wondering how do businesses get here, how do companies get here, is where the organic rank starts to happen. Angie, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, you can advertise and be in here, but you end up becoming diluted. Because if somebody's looking for a handyman and they come into Angie, your particular business is diluted with the rest of the companies that are in here. So you're sharing your leads with the rest of them, opposed to having a site geared directly towards you and somebody clicks on it and going straight to you. Now we do have Ace, which Ace is a tough one because they're a large company. But I wanted to show you a tool that I use and how this works. So I have your website, and the tool that I have is called Ahrefs or Ahrefs, however you want to pronounce it. And it shows me a behind the scenes of what's going on in a website and how the business is ranking and why. Now, I did say backlinks, content, and citations. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build popularity. Google uses that to build trust. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to keep that in mind. You wouldn't want a landscaping company linking back to you. It wouldn't carry as much weight as another handyman or general contractor would linking back to you. There's more power behind that. I see that you have 2 keywords within your site, and that's generating about 8 views a month. On the Ace hardware side, because they are a large company, I put them into the same tool so you understand they have 391,000 backlinks, 7,000 keywords generating 9,000 views of traffic per month. That's just because Ace is big time. So if you were to add Apex, for example, let's just say Apex, handyman in Apex is what I typed in. You come down, he's the third person right here on the first page. This is his website. Let's take a look at him. 9 backlinks, 21 keywords, 12 views a month in traffic. You could easily outrank this person and position yourself on the first page of Google right there. To understand how this works, of course, the keywords and the search volume per month, how many times this particular keyword is typed in. So maybe a tile handyman 100 times, Apex tiles 250 times, tile handyman near me. If you were to optimize your Google business profile with Apex and some other surrounding cities specifically, you would be found for near me searches. Bathroom remodel, Apex 30, handyman tile installation 60, handyman carry 250 times per month. So collectively, when you add this up, that would generate a lot of exposure to your website with the right content and the keywords being in there. You can have the same keywords that he has, you can have the same backlinks that he has, or more. Obviously, the goal is to have more. He's got 9, you want 10, 15, and it'll generate more strength. Again, you want a strong referring domain, and you want a lot of traffic coming through that backlink. This particular one right here is kind of dead in the water, but that's just an example. He only has 9 of them. So with that being said, maybe that gives you a little better context of how this works, content, backlinks, citations, Google Business Profile. Once this comes together and Google sees you being recognized or endorsed by other websites, other companies, it generates a lot of value, and Google starts to see you and recognize you as an authority in what you're doing, and you're being found for more searches, and you've optimized your Google Business Profile, and it just creates a big rank factor there. A lot of companies will build a website and sometimes fall short when it comes to content. You'll ask yourself, I have a website, but I'm not getting any traffic. There's no more leads coming in. I expected more. It's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody's going to see it. Google's not going to recognize it. So it's important to understand that what goes into it and how you're found plays a major role with the keywords and the content. With that being said, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. If there was any questions or concerns, I'd be more than happy to speak with you. I hope this was helpful and insightful. Thank you and have a nice night.